Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Hamna Fatima here. Let's talk about the bone disorder, Paget's disease. It is a chronic condition of the bone characterized by a disorder of the normal bone remodeling process. What happens in the bone remodeling process? Osteoblastic cells form bone cells. Osteocytes are the bone forming cells, and osteoclasts are the bone resorption cells. So, characterized by the excessive breakdown of the bone tissue followed by abnormal bone formation. So, what happens when there is the excessive bone growth formation by the abnormal bone forming cells production? So, the proper matrix and the proper makeup of the bone is not there. What happens? Bones become fragile, easy to breakable. So, this condition, also known as osteitis deformans, is a bone disease. There is no cause, no etiology known, affecting men twice as frequently as women. So, what happens? It is the congenital disease. Certain of genes may be associated with Paget's disease, including the sequestrosome 1 gene on chromosome number 5. Multifactorial, different factors. Chronic skeletal disease due to chronic, it can be due to viral infection, paramyxoviral infection. As a result, the bone that is formed is abnormal. The cause of Paget disease is unknown. Disease may be caused by a virus. Paramyxovirus infection of osteoblast may activate of the CFOS proto-oncogenes, so it leads to the formation of cancerous cells or abnormal osteoclastic activity typical of Paget's disease. Also, person's genes may predispose them to developing this disorder. Paget's disease affects older skeletal bone of adults. There is also an extremely rare form of Paget's disease in children, referred to as juvenile Paget's disease. So, what happens? Hypervascular osteolytic phase, initial phase of disorders, involves bone resorption by osteoclast. Immediate phase में क्या होता है? बोन के अंदर ऑस्टियोक्लास्टिक एंड ऑस्टियोब्लास्टिक एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. जब ये एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं सेल्स एंड एबनॉर्मल मैट्रिक्स परसिस्ट बिकॉज ऑस्टियोक्लास्टिक एक्टिविटी इज नाउ एग्जॉस्ट. जो एबनॉर्मल प्रोडक्शन है दैट विल स्टिल रिमेन देयर बट सेलुलर एक्टिविटी इज नियरली एब्सेंट. तो द डिजीज जो डिसऑर्डर डेवलप होगा उसको पेजेट्स डिजीज कहेंगे. So manifestations and symptoms क्या होंगी? Paget's disease is more commonly asymptomatic but may exhibit a variety of non-specific symptoms due to increased bone turnover. The bones that are moved commonly affected include the pelvis, spine, skull, and the long bone. Individuals may experience any or a combination of the following symptoms: bone pain, fractures. So, skeletal deformities may we are having bowed legs, fronto-occipital skull enlargement, warm sensation due to increased blood supply to abnormal bones. Nerve damage में hearing loss हो सकता है, visual abnormalities, cardiac abnormalities, shortness of breath is there. Manifestations and signs may be bitemporal skull enlargement with frontal bossing, diluted scalp veins, nerve deafness. Also, angioid streaks in the fundus of the eye. This is the ophthalmoscopy finding. And a short kyphotic trunk, जिसको कहते हैं कि सर्वाइकल रीजन में जो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम है वो बाहर की तरफ ज़्यादा होगी, उसका कर्वेचर ज़्यादा होगा. Blood chemistry, blood patient who have a Paget's disease results indicate very high alkaline phosphatase levels with the normal serum calcium and phosphorus levels. There is no known cure for this disease. Most cases are mild and asymptomatic. No treatment is necessary in symptomatic cases. इमेजिंग में आप एक्सरे स्कल कराएंगे, स्पाइन, पेल्विस एंड लॉन्ग बोन, सीटी स्कैन, एमआरआई. Radionuclide bone scans readily detect Paget's disease even in its very early stage. Radiographically, the affected bone typically demonstrate cortical thickening with a coarse, thickened trabecular pattern. Mixed areas of radiolucent osteolysis and radioopaque or osteosclerosis may be seen. So, Paget's disease involving the left hemipelvis, ये आप देख रहे हैं. And the right, there is severe osteoarthritis of the left hip, but a relatively normal joint space in the right hip. This is all about. Thank you, Ji.